This is Vicki David from the Windows Club. Do you wish to adjust the column width in Outlook? If yes, then please watch this video for the procedure. Launch Outlook. On the View tab, click the current view, then click View Settings. Click the Other Settings button. Uncheck the Automatic Column Sizing checkbox. Then click OK. Click OK again. Now you will be able to change the column settings. Use the slider to pull the main column. If the main column is wide enough, you will be able to change other subcolumns too. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your query. We will surely answer it. Feel free to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.